LF Bros Plateau test started 2026. LF Bros Plateau Test, Kunlun Mountains, 4,768 meters altitude. Test successful.
Plateau test team has now arrived at Tanggula Pass. With an altitude of 5,231 meters above sea level, we can see beautiful snow scenery all around. The local environment is extremely harsh. After a journey of 5 days and 5 nights, tough roads all the way, LF Bros team never backs down. We conduct real-time testing right on site. Every test we perform is to deliver genuine, reliable products to users. All current test data shows perfect and successful results. LF Bros always puts customers first, and we dedicate ourselves to making every product with full sincerity and professionalism.